Hey guys, this is Tim with Rentman. We're here at the Rentman booth at InfoComm 2026. If you don't know Rentman, we are a operations management platform, and what we do is we help you plan your productions, track your equipment, and communicate with your staff all inside of Rentman. So what does that mean in practice? We try to be that all-in-one solution. So if you have to manage your gear, you have to track your gear across multiple warehouses. If you have staff that you're looking to plan on projects, if you're looking to send them invites, all of that, we have a centralized system for that. We do maintenance management, we do repair management, we do a bunch of different things. And really the standout part about Rentman is that you can do all of it in one centralized system instead of having to switch between different tools. Talking about tools, one thing that is pretty new and that I wanted to show you guys is our new MCP. Everybody's talking about AI. You know, we hear that a lot at Rentman as well. So while this here is Rentman, I'm just going to switch to my little Claude agent over here. And the cool thing with the MCP is that we have enabled you to now connect your favorite agent, whatever you might be using, ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, whatever it might be, to Rentman. So instead of you having to go into your actual system and do all of the things manually inside of Rentman, you connect your agent. And now what I can, for example, do in here, you know, I've just asked it up here, hey, can you tell me what the busiest day in my warehouse is going to be next week? And then it can directly go in and say, hey, okay, my loadouts, I can see gear leaving on those days. So based on the question that I've asked it, I can directly see when gear is returning, when loadouts were happening, and therefore when my warehouse is actually going to be the busiest. So there's quite a few things you can do. You can mark crew as unavailable, and you just give all of those prompts to Claude, and through that integration, it makes your workflow with Rentman even easier than it has already been. The MCP is in beta right now. You can sign up by going over to our website. If you're interested in the system, if you're interested in checking out our MCP, head over to rentman.io. Happy to have a chat with you guys, talk a little bit about AI and how it's changing the lives of event production companies right now.